Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. This moment is for you to relax, to heal, and to remind yourself that your body is strong and healthy. Now, repeat these powerful and simple affirmations with me and allow every word to fill your mind and body with light and peace. Let's begin. I am perfectly healthy. Every cell in my body is filled with energy and light. My body knows how to heal itself. I am strong, balanced, and full of life. I love and care for my body every day. I choose to eat foods that nourish and heal me. My immune system protects me perfectly. My body is a temple of good health. I am grateful for my healthy body. Every breath I take fills me with healing energy. I am calm, peaceful, and centered. My mind and body work together in harmony. I radiate good health from within. I release all tension and welcome peace. My body feels lighter and stronger every day. I am healing more and more each day. My energy flows freely and easily. I trust my body's natural wisdom. My organs function perfectly. My heart beats with love and strength. My body is my best friend. I am becoming healthier in every way. I listen to my body with love. I choose rest, calm, and happiness. I am surrounded by healing energy. My skin glows with health and vitality. My digestion is smooth and easy. I feel light, free, and peaceful. I am grateful for my healthy mind and body. I let go of all fear about my health. I welcome positive energy into every cell. I sleep deeply and wake up refreshed. My body repairs itself while I rest. My thoughts create healing in my body. I am filled with strength and balance. My body feels safe and loved. I respect and honor my body's needs. My body grows stronger each day. I am free from pain and discomfort. I breathe in wellness and breathe out tension. I am vibrant, healthy, and alive. I bless my body with love and gratitude. Every heartbeat reminds me I am alive and healthy. Every heartbeat reminds me I am alive and healthy. My mind is calm, my body is relaxed. I am open to healing and complete wellness. I trust in the power of my body to recover. I am thankful for my strong, healthy body. I radiate health, peace, and joy. My health improves every single day. I am perfectly healthy, whole, and complete. Now, take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel gratitude for your strong and healthy body. Remember, your thoughts create your reality. Say these affirmations every day and let your body respond with love and healing. You are perfectly healthy, you are whole, and you are complete. If you felt peaceful and uplifted, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Affirm with Savita for more daily affirmations that nurture your mind and soul.